competitive season strewn with technical developments and regulation changes, Formula One teams and their technology partners have had their hands full. Now, with the 2010 campaign approaching its climax, one further significant challenge remains: the brand new circuit at Yonggam in Korea.
A new circuit like Korea gives us interesting challenges.
It's very important to have accurate simulations. It's very important to be well prepared.
When you sit in your car, you need everything together so you can go quick straight away.
Normally we have years and years of experience at a particular track to understand how we should set up the car. So when you go somewhere like Korea and everything's new, it does create interesting challenges.
5.5 kilometers long, the Korean International Circuit's 3 main sections are similar in layout to last year's new Abu Dhabi track. But while these parts may be broadly familiar, making a precise assessment of all its twists and turns ahead of time is vital.
In order to make sure that the engine will be performing well and reliable enough at a certain race, we need to do dyno simulations. You need to know exactly the geometry of the circuit itself, the length of the straight lines, the type of corners. We have tools to understand and simulate the speed.
The challenge in Korea could well be atmospheric conditions. There's 2 aspects, I guess. There's the chassis guys who will want to get the maximum out of the car performance. There's the engine guys like myself who want to get the maximum out of the engine performance. For that we need to know the ambient conditions. These guys will need to know the layout of the track, etc., grip levels. We can simulate most of that.
It's very hot and very humid, so this can affect engine performance. And because of this, it's really important that the Shell fuel and the Shell oil that we're using really do help the engine perform to its maximum during the weekend.
Several quick corners and the circuit's anti-clockwise direction mean that drivers will also be under strain. They too, though, will have developed a detailed mental map of the new circuit well before their first practice session.
We have a brand new simulator here inside the factory, which is important, to understand, where is the corner, what you have to do, the speed, the lines. So the simulator is very important to learn the circuit before you get inside the car.
Once at the circuit, information recorded by the car's telemetry systems during practice will be fed back into the simulation database to improve the accuracy of the simulation the next time it's used. It's only then that any discrepancies between Yonggam's virtual and actual circuits will become apparent.
Still, when you get there on Friday, first practice session, everybody will be holding their breath to see if things turn out as we expect, or the track will give us some big surprises.